is there anything that you would have wanted to do differently, or what?
I should have Clash Bounty Killer Star. Shit, I should have fucking do that.
What up, peeps? Welcome to another episode of Next Friday. Now this week we are vibing with Mr. Lexx. Mr. Lexx,
Wow.
where going from?
Yeah, man. It's good.
Bless up. Their Chop Back Records, a whole vibe ends out with Mr. Lexx.
Yeah.
So, Virgin, what going with life in general right now with the whole COVID thing?
You know what? We just make the best of it and just go through it. And I'm try to keep myself happy and keep myself active and try to keep away from whatever it is that them say is out there. Is what I'm saying?
You don't sound like you too believe it.
I don't know. You see, I don't know, man. It's kind of confusing and weird because I can't see how you're gonna try to control something you can't see. There's no way you can control something you can't see.
Yeah.
You understand me? I say you have to control. You can control people, but you can't control. And them say you can't see the bacteria, the disease, or whatever the thing is.
Right,
you can't see
right.
it. So I don't know how you gonna control what you can't see. But me personally think them for just love it, make it run its course and go through. But then again, me just an artist still, so
Why?
nobody listens to me.
Because cool, man. Because we know so the artists them have them influence and people look up to the artists them said speed. But I mean, waiting about even the measures where the government implement in terms of curfews and restricted movement.
Yo, you know what? Let's be real here. And I saw alone it going on. We see other countries being shut down and other people. You know what I say? The thing is, the good thing about what's happening here that we don't have this enormous amount of death. You know what I say? But the things put in place by the government still. If we just build and just do the and go by the guidelines. You know what I say? The thing is, a lot of people opposed to the whole curfew thing, and I can totally understand that because not everybody's life is on the same level.
Right,
and the shutdown is okay with people who are able to financially take care of themselves properly. It is okay for them. Them can lock down forever if they want. You know what I say? But then you have people who go with them life day by day,
Day
so
to
it's
day,
kind of a little bit
man.
more complicated for them. So I think if you're gonna put things in perspective, you gotta think across the thing, across the board. You can't just put one thing for everybody. So you gotta, you have to weigh the pros and the cons. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So because of this, I think the people them in the ghetto in general, them, it's kind of harder for them because them have to go day by day with for them life and thing. And so, this is I think the government uses as a reason to imply what they might imply. But I think if them did just bill, and just bill when the government say bill, and then we can sit down and see what go on.
Right.
And then we say, if it now got to our thing, then the whole of we can come out and talk. But we can't talk now because you have some people where abide by the thing, and then you have some people who not abide by the thing. So you know what I say. But I guess the whole of us work together and just get this thing over with, because the sooner this thing over, the better for everybody. You know what I say? So if we could just, whatever it takes, if we can just work to get this thing over with, let's, we just do that be.
And the sooner this thing over with, the better it is, even for the entertainment industry.
For everybody.
But we have to zone in on the entertainment industry though, Mr. Lexx.
Yeah. Always.
A lot of the players in the fraternity feel like the entertainment sector kind of get a raw deal. In that there's no real plan, for the entertainment industry. We had phase reopening for like the tourism sector, and but for the entertainment industry,
Yeah,
kind of on the back burner.
Them always put we on the back burner still, and it's understandable because as far as society is concerned, dancehall industry is boogie yaga. You know what I'm saying? Which is why we can block off the main road them in a Kingston and have a road march with scantily clad girls gyrating all over the place. We can't have that because we are boogie yaga.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying? But unfortunately, we have people who portray these things and give them reasons to say that we are boogie yaga. You know what I say? Unfortunately. But at the end of the day, I think the government should have, like, I don't know who would advise the government still, but then again, I must, the top family them.
Yeah.
Them open back the border to people for fly coming in from countries who the virus are devastated.
Yeah, man.
For come visit our country, and then them of course we say we abide by the thing and we not do the thing. But yo, then alright, cool. Since it's a pandemic, lock our border then man and lock out who have the something man, and make who they make a deal with what we have there man.
Right.
You try with our industry, which is dancehall industry. Billions of dollars is being generated from 7 p.m. to at least 5 a.m.
And that pump
every
back
night.
into the economy.
And that come back in the economy.
man.
Why you never try with our thing now? Alright, free borders. Let's put things in precautions. Cause all of them, $90 million where them send go buy vaccine for. You know what them should do with it? Make sure every single Jamaican get mask. Make sure mask is in the hand of every single Jamaican. Make sure that wash stands and them thing there is put on majority of the popular corner spot them are the places where people frequent or whole heap.
Right.
You make sure you put wash stands and that the money should have go in. So
Yeah.
everywhere we go, people can wash them and do them something and we can wear the mask and then you put in your law. And if people now wear the mask, you lock them, whatever you do with them. You know what I say? But at
Find
least,
them,
me don't know stuff. I'm probably dumb still. I don't know. But I think that would have better work. You know what I say? Thailand never closed them economy. Thailand never closed them economy. They never shut down. They never did nothing. All they did was make sure everybody get a mask. The only difference between Thailand and Jamaica is that Thailand, the people are more disciplined. So if them say come off the road track, like every single person come off the
It's
road
a
track.
road empty.
You understand what I say? But that's the only difference with it. But yo, I mean, again, he's just an artist, so nobody business to do what me I say anyway.
Alright, Mr. Lexx. We could talk about some of the music now though. What
Yeah.
going for the music? What you tell us
What going
some
for
of
the music or for my music?
Your music, man. Your music where I deal with right now. Talk to me about some of the new projects where you have and some of the songs where you have.
Yo, listen. I'm a DJ from forever, brother.
Yeah.
Fucking almost 30 years now. My boss 1999 and we're in at 2021, so that's 20 years. That's safely 21 years.
Yeah.
And nigga, I'm not even supposed to be still relevant in 2021.
That's cool,
Being
man. You
honest.
can't tell your
And-
fans that. You can't tell me that.
To our industry go, and to the fight that me get, and to the shutout and the lockout that me get, me not even supposed to be relevant in the industry, bro.
But it's
Just
still
believe me.
there.
Yeah, 'cause I'm good. Because I'm bad as fuck. I'm a talent real. You see what I say?
Yeah.
And my personality genuine, so people can't help but love me. You know what I say? But what I say is, like, at this point in my career now, I'm not try to kill up myself, like, yo, I'm gonna do this. And I still do music. I just dropped an EP named Touchdown.
Yeah.
And what I did was, I worked with 7 young artists, because I wanted to be the first big artist where put out a major project with be a no name. You know what I say? So
Okay.
there was 7 young artists on it. The only named artist on it is Mr. Pepper. I'm a virgin and I don't know when all
Yeah.
came out. You know what I say? And that's my latest project. And then I have a single after that name, WhatsApp number, with the next young artist again named Soundboy. I don't know around with be a youth, you know.
Yeah.
You see what I say? And so them I promote now, but it's not like I'm out here saying, yo, I'm doing, you know what I say? I still do music because I love it, and I still have a fan, I still have a following, which is why, you know, I'm still here and I'm still relevant, as you say. You know what I say?
All right.
But my music is good still, and still have the music man and thing. And if you all just go to all my social media handles are the real Mr. Lexx. TheRealMrLexx. So whatever you platform you on, TikTok, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram,
Same
wherever you
handle.
are, it's just the real Mr. Lexx. And then you can follow me and y'all see what happened. You know what I say? Each one of my platforms is different though. Like it's a different personality on each one of my platforms. You know what I say? But yeah, and check me out on Spotify.
Yeah.
Search Mr. Lexx new on Spotify. Or go to iTunes. Go to iTunes and go Mr. Lexx new songs. Or whatever. Go to YouTube and go new Mr. Lexx. And then you see what's popping. You know
All
what I
right.
say?
So here we go find a new song them and a new tune them.
Wherever.
But you've been in the business for you know decades, Virgin.
Yeah.
How would you say, you know, things have differed from then until now? Because I mean, let's face it, you know, enough people out there still say, yo, 90s music, you can't go around it, you know. Real deal. Them things that just solid and just will never die.
First of all, my personal perspective is 90s, any genre of music
Yeah, man.
is best.
Yeah.
As far as me is concerned.
Hip-hop, soul,
90s
R&B, yeah,
hip hop
man.
was the best to
90s
me.
era.
Even 90s soca.
Yeah.
Get in the wave you want them in the air.
Can't go around Alison Hines and them people, man.
Busy you. Yo, I'm saying, all these genres, whether it be hip hop, whether it be soca, whether it be jazz, whether it be whatever, 90s genre music are the best. I'm just glad that I'm a part of that, you know, and for all of the youngins, I got famous when there was no Instagram. I got famous when there was no internet. You know what I say?
Much harder.
So yeah, it was way much harder. You know what I say? Them time when it come from BET, it was like really a big thing.
Yeah,
like really actually on BET or MTV.
Yeah,
you know what I say? And I did all that. My as far as achievements, my song, Anything Go When We Ride Me, that was the song that fueled the Def Jamaica Star album 2006 to a Grammy nomination.
Yeah.
That was really cool too. I'm probably one of the artists. I'm probably one of the few artists. Can't count on one, and I think that has been nominated for MTV Awards 2008. That again, yeah, that was that was really crazy. And for, like I know y'all looking, so I'm explaining. If you don't know Major Lazer, and I'm pretty sure some of y'all familiar with Major Lazer. So the first big tune of Major Lazer ever get on my tune. So you can pretty much say me boss Major Lazer. You know what I'm saying? So go look it up. That song the name All the Line, and I get million views from when million views never in. From way before million views in. You know what I'm saying? So you know, All the Line, it was nominated for Best Breakthrough Video. Shout out to Santigold, shout out to Diplo, the whole Major Lazer team. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that was really big. And you don't know, 100's the number one crazy hit tune, and I'm sorry, I'm fortunate, and I must say thanks again to the fans, because I'm so humbled by the fact that I have a catalog. Like not a lot of artists have the catalog that I got, you know what I mean, and I'm so humbled by that, you know what I say, because you know like some artists have this one song where I go play forever. Nigga, I got like 5. I got like 6.
You got 6 of those.
I got like 6 or 7 of those. You know what I mean? And that again, for the fans, I mean, I say, I guess when I was doing music, I just do it for the love. You know what I say? I never did know, like, I never know something that gonna be like international or me that gonna be bigger or anything like that. I just did that do it because I love it. You know what I say? I didn't know that when I sing certain of my songs, they were gonna be embedded in our culture. Right, you know what I say? I was just singing how I felt at the time.
Yeah,
like I'm saying, oh man, they better can cook. Little did I know that I was gonna make such a big impact, and still is making a big impact today. You know what I say? I didn't know all them song them when we did them time they would be relevant in them time. You know what I say? But I guess I was a little bit ahead of my time, and that was one of the reasons why a lot of people in the industry couldn't really deal with me, because me that set the bar them too high. You know what I say? Yeah, man. So them plan up and gang up.
So you get only per fight and
yo, dog, it did rough for me, yeah, man. Because first of all, that's why when time the new youth them a bus with for them thing now and them trap dancehall and thing. I'm understanding now. Yeah. The only misunderstanding them always get is that I always say, you know, try do it real so it can go somewhere, because it not really pass airport. Yeah, but we can't fight with them thing, because I see him so when me did that bus in 1999 and them never used to that talk properly something.
Yeah, well.
You know me I say with me a DJ, and remember say me come change, remember say me a game changer now. Me come change the whole flow of everybody DJ now. You know me I say when I say when I sang bus them, yo Sonny, first of all give me my money. I use my money and I make the whole place, but me and funny. See them when I get my money from me. Nobody never hear them type of DJ. Yeah. So that's like and so they was like, yo, am I gonna keep my rapper and am I gonna come this and am I better? And I was like, nah. But I really wanted to be just, you know, different. You just want different. And when to all my love, when I go on stage show, I always check out the background and them thing. And you know, I always compare it to foreign. Cause I go foreign from a little, so I always compare it to the foreign stage show. I always say, yo, like this is how I want my stage to be. Yeah, you know, I say this is how. So that's why when me boss, like me, one of the first artists are flying pyro, people from foreign. So if you can put up back some of my Sumfest stage, show them. Now blow up the stage, man. Like the whole place blow up, man. You know, all the explosion and the whole thing. Remember, I was the first dancehall artists who I toured, me dance them incorporated in my set, you know, man. I mean, I sing the dance song, you know, but they're part of my set. You know what I say? Because I brought a show. Yeah. And you see me that set the levels, bars too high for some people. For a lot of people. Till this day, them can't even move it. And so that, with along with my personality, make a lot of people in the industry kind of get jealous still, and kind of, and then when them start compare me to a lot of, you know what I say? So them couldn't have that, and a lot of things go down. I don't even want to get back into that thing, but
true.
We pass them thing there, and
But just for the benefit though of upcoming entertainers, because I even overheard a discussion the other day, and your name called as one of the artists that might get some of the most fight in our music, but you're still there.
Cause I'm fucking bad.
No,
I'm a style different.
You
See,
can't
that is the
tell
thing.
them that way.
No.
You survive them kind of fight there.
Alright.
That's some serious fight down there.
Yeah, because them try to shut me down there. No matter how much mash up the stage show, and some different artists see coming at the paper. You know what I say? And then you have a lot of artists so them nah do the stage show if I'm on it, and them nah go up on the rhythm if I'm on it. You know what I say? And if I'm them don't want me on the rhythm if them dep on it. And they want me on the show if them dep on the show.
Politics there in our
so
music.
The whole politics said it's kinda and so for a while I made it cut go foreign for a minute.
Yeah.
Because I don't feel that foreign. So I'm like, fuck this. Why me I feel this from my people in Jamaica? Like everyone going out the world is like, people put on the carpet. You know what I say? So after a while, me the cut go foreign, got enjoy some of that still. But there's no way like you know what I say? But I guess what I do is I don't even look on them. Like a lot of people talk shit about me constantly. And the people who talk a lot of shit about me is the people who don't know me, Like most of the people who don't, because they don't know me. But them hear somebody say something and them just add up and just put on and they just talk a lot of shit on me. But after being in the industry for so long, I've realized that you cannot compete with that. So what I realize is, it comes with good and it comes with bad.
Yeah, man.
So if you stay in the circle where the people them don't like you go forever hear the bad comments.
Yeah, man.
So what I try to do
is
I try to stay in the circle with the people them like me. You know what I say? So other people don't like me can talk all the shit them want over that circle, because I'm not over there to hear that. I look at that shit. I stay in this circle where the people them like me and them them tell me how much I'm talented and how much I should have been do this, or I should have been this, or I should have that, or I did this or I did that, and that keep me going. You know what I say? There's a shitload of artists, young artists, who have been inspired by me.
Right.
And them again, I want more of the thing that me still do what I do. Because, enough time I get frustrated and be like, yo man, fuck this. But then here comes a little artist who be like, yo, Lexx, so when time I go to high school, dog. I tell you, yo, dog. When you go so with all the thing, the matrix, I'm like, shit, there you go, I'm inspired again, you know what I say? So like, you know what I say? And I love what I do, dog. I love what I do, man. Yo, check back. Go fucking check my Sashi performances. Yeah, right. You know what? All right, screw that. Let's not go so far back. Go to the last major performance that I did, which was Popcorn Show, Unruly Fest.
All right.
God believe me, dog. Most of them never see when I walk. Just believe me, man. I mean, all man. Yeah, man, I tell you, them never see when I go.
That's cool.
You know what I'm saying? That shit was crazy. Like, go back and pull up the video there and watch the show. You know what I'm saying? They're not so around, man. And you see, that's the thing still, My talent really, I'm love what I do. So, even though it get depressing on time and frustrating and shit, man. Yo, yeah, whatever, man. Cause, everything are good and bad, you know what I'm saying? So, it comes in it. What do you, I made a comment. I made a comment and...
Hold on there. You got DJ Khaled now?
Yeah, when I made that comment, bro, I was thinking, it wasn't like me just jump and make the comment. So at first, I started sitting and think and I said, yo, them man always say them want to do thing for dancehall music, you know what I say? But them not really do nothing for dancehall music. I never just tweeted it because I was on Twitter.
Right.
Before I was, me say, them man always come in the dancehall music and say, them a try help dancehall and them a do this for dancehall and take the praise and them a do this, and then when you look at it, they not really do it. Well, them a make them friend them eat a food, yes? And so the people that eat a food is okay with that, but what about like doing for dancehall? And so when I thought about that, I start say, yo, every time Khaled come, I the same artist them, invite and song them never hit. But when I said that though, I really was just like, tweeting how I felt.
Right.
The tweet now took on a life of its own because apparently more than half of the industry wanted to say that. But due to politics, them never did ever say it. And then here come say it now.
Yeah.
And it was like, whoa! And then all of a sudden it's just a big thing like, whoa! And then the media standing, you know, people start add on things and start put on things and now them start directed to particular artists like me that pinpoint a particular artist. I mean, I never that pinpoint nobody or nothing. I just say, yo, dog, give somebody some chance. It's one bag of youth out there. You know what I mean? I say, every day I come and one set up, you know what I mean? Give some other youth some chance. You know what I say? So, what am I wrong with that? I can't have all wrong. Give some other man some chance, dog. Like if you check the whole of Khaled catalog, and I see him, the same lineup, people, them.
Alright.
You know what I say? But, no, and I think is my thing is there, bro. All right, if you want to do something for dancehall, here way though, because you have the capacity and the capability to do it.
Mm-hmm.
You're saying both have one building down Frideh Road, so we not lease out one floor and put We the Best Jamaica down there. Sign some producers. You can't do dancehall in a Khaled. You can't do dancehall. Look how long you play dancehall and none of them not it. We have to go, you can't do dancehall. So since you wanna do it, sign some dancehall producer then. And when time them done produce a song, you put your name on the song. I could get some real dancehall song with it and go across the world and you can do your thing. You know what I say? Wait, why don't you do that? Build a label down here, but when we say, yeah, we the best. Jamaica, they right down Frideh Road, and we can go and go see if we can get a sign and you can go. We don't do that then since you want to do something in the industry. You come and I hype and I follow them idiot that way you connect with down Jamaica and I show and them something. Like me want to build the vibes. We never want to build the vibes with them, man. But as I said, give some other some chance. You know what I mean? Some other some chance, bro. That's all. B.
Alright. But I mean, another argument, Mr. Lexx, is that them say, boy, from day one, I saw the link there, and him just keep that link there. So, but I see a point where you say, oh, you can give some other people a chance if you really want to do something for dancehall, the bigger picture.
You really gonna fucking sit
no,
there.
No, me tell you what, that's the different arguments from here.
That's no argument, brother. How can that be an argument, bro, because I'm separate? Oh, that can't be an argument. First of all, if a talent, let me tell you this, if I Khaled alone, Khaled vice the whole Jamaica. But when it come down to him connects is the ones who directly
keep it in the circle.
Keep it in the circle.
Okay.
You see, I say that have Khaled, you know, fireball film. If it up to him, that kind of man, him love the music for real. Me not act like him not love the music. They're there from day one. Me know Khaled. All of them, dog. Me did that video where Khaled post. Me the right beside to the Mataran. Cause me and Mataran upon the word of them time. All them time when Khaled a beg Mataran for show him off it, do that sound clash up me. Yeah. Cause me and Mataran par right through them time.
Okay.
You know me, I say, so we don't know Khaled, man. I can remember one time I just got a $10,000 watch. When time you have some watch named Jacob around the place from New York. I'm my parade, my boy and I run Sashi.
Yeah.
You see me I say? And the man go to Jacob and go pick up some watch. Just got my brand new 10 watch. I say Khaled. Them time Khaled, that time them boss at another time. They was just DJ Khaled.
Right.
Like DJ Nora them and DJ Steely them and all of them. You know me I say? And the man see me watch and I say, oh, Lexx step up like. Bro, I'm not the biggest thing in Jamaica, what you mean? Most
can hold that.
Well, I say, come on. But that's a mess. We go way back. We know him long time, so I don't know who me I talk about. You know what I say?
Yeah.
And Khaled, don't fucking act like you don't know what we're talking about. I know you know what I talk about. And I'm saying you're going to see this video anyway, because people going to say, they're going to tag him in this fucking video.
and for the record, you know, say, him don't like dancehall.
Nah, man, him love no. Him really,
genuinely.
Yeah, him really like this for real. Him really want to do this shit, but it's like me say, him connect them. All is I keep him something and I want something. And then for free up the whole thing.
And another note though, Mr. Lexx. The freestyle thing, virgin.
Yeah.
I know everybody have that talent.
I'm old school. Old school, though. I'm not pro tool. I'm old school. And this is what we do when we're old school. It's like technology changed the whole dynamics of our music, bro. Because in my days, remember, so we just go meet up a studio and we challenge each other. And that's what make we the best of who we is. Because we there studio daytime, we don't have nothing else but to do. But so a man goes and spit a lyrics and man can say, yo, that bad era. And a man spit and then we try to compete.
Right.
And so that makes us better at the time. So, but now, it's different. A man just lock up in a bathroom and vice something on him phone and put it up on YouTube and it go to runway. And yo, bro, the last 8 or 9 artists are boss. None of them don't know each other until them boss. Remember, say in our era,
the whole on the sit down outside the studio.
So yo, we say, oh, one of my friends, we just watch each one of my friends boss, and the next man boss and the next man boss, and we just know. So yeah, that's how we go, you know. But so the whole dynamics change, and that's why the thing get diluted. So, and I'm not trying to disrespect nobody, because we know y'all young artists, on a spicy in a bomb class, and ready for come for anybody. I'm just saying that in the 90s, our industry was more about putting out entertainers.
Okay.
Now the industry is just put out stars. And then you have different type of stars. Cause you have mad stars, you have bad stars, you have rising stars, you have falling stars, you have shining stars, you have all kinds of them just put out stars. You know what I'm saying? Are you fucking kidding me? Yo, I put out an EP them touchdown the other day.
Yeah.
Dog. Me tell you say 7 bad song on it, 7 bad song, you know. You know, it's summer last year, you know. You know what the people them take? Nico, you mash up my life. You mash up. That was the block. Hey, yo. I run me for runway. I run me for runway, dog. What the fuck?
Yeah, no.
Are you kidding me? Yo, Jano Star, that's how weird our industry is, bro. You know, you spend so much millions and make an EP and put it out and go in a promotion and spend so much in a promotion and thing, and then people them take that song over your EP. You know that? Oh man, that's crazy. And one song I said, I double tap, I said, I double. But you know me like that one though, cause yo, I like Queen. I double tap, it's a I double tap. Hey, I double tap, it's a bad too. But I'm just saying now, our business is weird, man. It's weird, yo.
Yeah, I know. Looking at even, you know, nowadays entertainers and you know, it's like most of them have to do something outrageous to get the attention. You know? Entertainers back in the days, you know.
It's our talent that get the attention. That's the thing.
Yeah.
Back in the days, our talent get the thing. The business changed now, and I can't knock it for what it is because nothing is gonna stay the same forever. And every 10 years, the generation change. And every generation wear them clothes different, the slang them get different, the whole thing get different. You know, it's just up to you if you want to get stuck over in this era, or you're gonna move forward and go over into the era now. Even if you get to move over to the era, it no must fit you. It no must fit you.
But I was just about to ask you that. Do you think that you, with all your talent, how you relate to some of these?
No.
Yeah, man.
No. Like, I wouldn't compare. Like me in a different league.
No, man. I'm not talking about compare talent. You know, you as an artist.
Yeah.
Being able to identify
right now
with some of these batch of entertainers and even fans, because the fans them younger now, 20 years younger than when you just start out, you know. So how you keep that momentum going?
TikTok.
So you have started some for them thing.
I don't know, man. I'm on TikTok. Yeah, I'm crazy about TikTok though. When I really go check me out about TikTok though. I'm crazy about TikTok. But yeah, I think again, I think it is my personality. I still own an Xbox. Man. I still play video game. You know, I don't know, man. I don't know. One thing for sure though, I do too much of nothing.
Yeah.
Yes, no matter what it is, I do too much of it.
Okay.
So I do too much of nothing.
See, I do some whole heap of other things, you know, outside of the music though, even with the new show, Nicky Z.
Yeah.
And what are vibe like though? Is that
for me?
Is a different direction?
Yo, you know what? It's like first it was just fun. Because it was just fun for this day and you know. But after a while I realized that the people them love me. And now I'm actually a part of the show.
With a full 100.
Yes, so now I'm a part of the show. But it's going good still. What we do is we try to use the platform for bust a push at the young artists.
Yeah.
And at the same time, I like the big artists them too. And you know, we keep it jiggy, we keep it fun. You know, different days are different things. You know, some days we go old school, some days we go freestyle, some days we go karaoke, some days we don't do it. So and then you know, Nikki she do it for years, so she can have the whole thing up on lock. You know what I say? So it is a funny show and it's the hottest morning show right now. The hottest morning show right now from 7 to 10 a.m. weekdays. You know, if you have Hype TV, Channel 100 on Ready TV, it's all over the place. All over the place.
Yeah, man. So what is he up to now? I mean,
well, right now though, Tian, John time, I just enjoy the fruits of my labor while I'm still right.
Yeah.
I can't wait for this. I can't wait for this pandemic or whatever it is to over, so we can start actually perform back for my live fans them again, and you know, get back to just doing what I love doing. You know what I say? Yeah, that's basically it still, you know what I say? Not to kill up myself, but...
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Now drop a girl EP, you know? I want to say girl EP, a 6 girl song.
Yeah.
6 girl songs. The last EP me dropped, that was a different project. This is a 6, my drop a EP with 6 girl songs. And then
So this is actually your project now, as in your songs are...
Yeah. Me and ZJ Rush.
Because the other one, you bought some other artists.
That's me now. ZJ Rush, I produced them and that. And then I drop a different project now, which is a different EP again now with 6 Badman songs.
Yeah.
And then after I drop the EP then now, I do one final album and then I retire. That's it.
Alright. Hold on thought. Retirement? Why? I never hear a dancehall artist say that yet.
Yeah, man. I guess so. After more I'm going to movies. But not really even movies, more I'm going to TV.
Yeah, so it's a whole different...
I want to have my own talk show and I'm thinking about, right now I'm my friend them though, we write a script for a Jamaican sitcom. I'm going to find the name of it yet, but it's 5 characters. And so it's him, which I think is going to be played by me. And then there's this one hot girl up on the complex where everybody want.
Yeah.
And then the next character.
Well, they won't play that.
I don't know.
We're not the casting yet.
We don't play that yet. Then there's this one gay character, this one gay dude on the building. Where him gay and in just gay and everybody just gay like for no reason at all. And
one of them they always have
that. And then we have this next character now where him just every day him just there in my apartment, him no work, him just wait for me for cook for eat.
Yeah.
I say that bum. And then we have this little this next brainy dude now where him just bright and use big word for no reason at all.
Yeah.
Like, bro. Like you could have said the manga right. And I say.
Yeah, man.
And so we gone about 3 episodes already. And so that's in project. And then like I said after this that more deal still. So what else am I gonna do in music? What else am I gonna do?
Right.
What else am I gonna do? I mean, me don't win a Grammy yet still, but I keep my fingers crossed.
It may not be too late.
Yeah, it's not too late. No, it's not too late. I got a couple more projects coming out.
See it there.
I know them open up the Grammy thing now, more now, so yeah. What if I have more prospects right now?
Yeah, man. Of course, and look out for the next chapter when Mr. Lexx say, yo, you must shot go over TV land. But a talk show there, our cause will have a problem. You can't tell you from now.
Yeah, because man, think about it, guys. Every time I say some shit, I get so much heat for it, and it's like, first of all, not even know so much people that listen to me. You know what I mean? So now I gotta be more careful of what I tweet and what I, put out there in social media because of the last situation. Because honestly, that tweet wasn't supposed to cause all of that. I really didn't mean to.
That's not what it was.
Piss so much people off, I really didn't mean it. So what it teaches me is that you gotta be more responsible for what you tweet and put out there in social media, and I'm very much more responsible now. But I can't say the fucker them on the top star. I'm not just
see it there.
Say that it is as it is, man. I'm gonna say it as it is. That's just how I am.
Final question, Mr. Lexx. Being in the industry for so long, being in music for so long, is there anything that you would have wanted to do differently, or what?
Yeah, I should have Clash Bounty Killer Star. Shit, I should have fucking do that. You know what I mean?
Who would have win that clash there? That clash there would have wicked enough.
Yeah, I mean, lyrically, I know I could have go at it, but me just never appeared at the mind. But anyway, I wouldn't change anything though. Like as far as my, I love, even the ups and the downs.
Yeah.
Everything teaches me something. So the only thing I would change, like if I could change anything, is I'd try to be more smarter with a lot of the decisions that I made in the past. You know what I say? I would just try to be smarter with my decisions and stuff, including investments and. I made a lot of bad investments and all of that, you know what I said, but I would just try to, and I try to be better with my choices in women.
Artists can do that though,
I try to be better with my choices of baby mamas. You know what I mean? But, nah.
Give a look at the stats now, how many kids you have?
I have a couple pitting man, I have a couple pitting well, man. I have 5 boys and 4 girls.
Okay.
And my last son, but the thing is, all of my kids are big kids. All of them over 18 are big people.
Okay.
Except for Logan, and he was a twin. His brother died at birth. Man.
Okay.
But
sorry to hear that.
Yeah, that's my. I don't really want more youth. If a girl is a shabby, breed, the amount of fence I'm gonna take right now. Yo, I don't want to pick this stuff. Can't but with that again.
Look like say.
Yo, I can't, but man, me almost 50 now. Me do it keep it now, man. Me can't, but with that something, man. My little money we make now for buy nice clothes and. Live my life and go up on cruises and with me and my big woman and with us, and what I say? Enjoy the rest of them. I can't with a bag of picnic Can't bother with that. You go and be God daddy.
With Mr. Lexx, you get more than you bargain for. Because, as I say, it was a fun vibe, this man talking mind. Brilliant artist, out of the best era, 90s forever, you know. But Mr. Lexx, it was a fun vibe
Yo, thanks for having me, man.
chilling
Thanks
with
for
you
having me.
this week. Stories like these you don't want to miss, so make sure you subscribe to the channel.
Yeah, all my social media handles are The Real Mr. Lexx. TheRealMrLexx. The Real Mr. Lexx. Any platform you're on, just hit me up.
Go check out the music, go check out the work so I'm put in. Because I'm still put in the work.
Hey
even
ladies, just
though-
look out for that girl. Yo, look out for that girl EP. Oh my God.
When
yo.
it a drop?
Yo,
You
know what?
don't know yet?
I'm gonna drop it in the summer, yeah, man. We want, like,
Yeah, man,
we have
because
two,
some are going to free up a little bit.
we
now,
have two of the songs already, and
Yeah.
there's 6 songs now, you know.
Yeah.
So we just need for the 4 song, and that not we can't do that all this week. We can't do them 4 songs.
See
You know what I'm
that?
saying? So, yo, trust me. ZJ Rush, go and big up yourself. Yo, that's gonna be crazy, dog.
Yeah,
Trust
man.
me.
So, we get a couple video for any of these.
Yo, I need some new video like, whoa, yeah, I want to drop about half dozen video, man. In a
Because
real
when I
life.
say summer and girl thing,
Yeah, I want to drop about
You
half
have to
dozen
drop
video, man. I want to drop two
video,
video off of the
yeah,
EP,
man.
and then I drop some random other song. More video WhatsApp song, WhatsApp call. Yo, my single name WhatsApp number, go look it up. Go look it up. Yo, bad tune, big up sound boy. Give me your WhatsApp number, I wanna text your phone. Them boy a force up on you, tell them to leave you alone and give me your WhatsApp number, I wanna text you. You know how long me I watch ya, I wanna flex video. Send me your location, tell me what you tell me what's the quotation. If you bring a rubber for the flotation, make sure your waist in a rotation. Put the radio on a soul station. No disturb, leave a notation. I can walk your body for the whole day long. 9 months we, hey. Oh, the way you wind up you and it's kinda talk. Can you want to broke my back? Me and you have an occasion, okay. But today we want a new contact. Your body come and make me see like a knocky. Hey, we're not getting no more. Yo, go look it up, it's bad.
we're not going to look up the song, man. Nah, get no more right now. Yeah, man. So, peeps, there you have it. Another episode of Next Friday. Be sure to, again, I'm saying it, subscribe, share, like, click the notification bell. Because remember, next Friday, every Friday.
Yes!
We
Peace.
out.
Are you fucking kidding me? Yo, I put out an EP them touchdown the other day.
Yeah.
Dog. Me tell you, it's a 7 bad song on it, and a 7 bad song, you know. In the summer last year, you know. You know what the people them take? Nico, you mash up my life.
You as an artist,
Yeah.
being able to identify
right now?
with some of these batch of entertainers and even fans, because the fans them younger now, 20 years younger than when you just start out, you know. So how you keep that momentum going?
TikTok. And then I drop a different project now, which is a different EP again now with 6 Badman songs.
Yeah.
And then after I drop the EP then now, I do one final album and then I retire. That's it.
All right.